Welcome to my channel. This is just a DIY of an avocado and banana hair mask. My hair felt really dry, so I had to do something about it. So here is, I used just one avocado, and the ingredients is on the screen, so it's right there. Banana, avocado, olive oil. So, and I used castor oil that you'll see later in the video. Now I take this strainer and I strain my hair mask so it's fine and not clumpy, because nobody wants clumps in their hair, so it's better to do it this way. It's pretty much that. Some people put water, but I really don't like putting water, so I just like to do the work and just go with this. Just even if you put water, just a little bit of water. Now I add my black castor oil and my olive oil again, and mix it up together. Now I apply the mask to my hair. I like to get the roots and the ends of my hair, because that's very important. You have to make sure your hair is well conditioned. I love this method because it's a natural way. You don't have to put the, chemicals in your hair. Just the natural way to condition your hair. So it really helps my hair, and I wish I did it a long time ago, but I guess something has to happen before you do stuff sometimes. So, well, I'm doing it now. Now I put my plastic cap on just to trap in the heat. Get well conditioned. And an hour later, this is the steam in the cap, and look at those curls. Now I'm massaging my scalp with my oils again. That's very important. And the ends of my hair, very important as well. Anyway, I hope this video helps someone. And that's it. That's all I do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.